I'm camera shy. Hold on. All right,
You can do it. Don't worry about it. It's
Hi, my name is Rick Garza. I am newfound into this world of rental arbitrage. I am now 3 properties in, a renovated RV, which will be my 4th property listing. About to start this new year, 2019, out on the right foot, getting some mentoring from Nathan Rice. Great teacher, great program he's developed, and it is working. I would encourage anybody who is interested in getting into the rental arbitrage business to give it a shot. Just go for it. It's an excellent business. You don't have to have any strong suit one way or the other for any type of hospitality background or anything like that. Although it does help if you know what to look for, but his program and his course will definitely lead you and start you on the right path to making a good second income or passive income, whichever it is you desire. And it'll help you get to your dreams and the plans for your life. Set them on course. Good day.